Hey there, story lovers! Today I have a tale that will keep you on the edge of your seat. It's about deception, beauty, and the intricate dance of judgment. Let's dive right in. Once upon a time there was a cunning woman married to a man who was deeply in love with her. However, she had a plan that would see her trap a judge in her web of lies and beauty. The woman went to the judge, her eyes filled with tears, and complained, "Your Honor, I am tormented by my deceitful husband." The judge, mesmerized by her beauty and saddened by her plight, asked, "This uproar is in the court. I can't understand this complaint. If you come to the private quarters, O elegant one, you can explain your plight of injustice." Smiling inwardly, she replied, "Your home is a place for every good and bad person, for complaints and comings and goings. The home of the mind is filled with all sorts of obsessions. The head is full of worries and clamour. The rest of the body's parts are free from thought, and the heads are worn out from the thinkers. In autumn and the winds of fear of God, those old poppies are shed." The judge, now completely under her spell, invited her to his private chambers to discuss further. Little did he know he was stepping into a trap. The woman had another plan in place. She told her husband to go hunting and bring back milk, knowing he would be gone for a while. That night she invited the judge to her home. But as fate would have it, her husband returned early. Panicked, she instructed the judge to hide in a large box which she planned to sell at the market the next day. The judge, caught in his own web of judgment and deception, complied. The next morning, the woman sold the box at the market. But the judge, not one to give up easily, made a deal with the porter carrying the box and managed to escape. This tale illustrates the complexity of our minds and the traps we set for ourselves. Much like the judge, we often get caught in our own judgments and deception. We gamble with our identities and more often than not, lose. The real lesson here is about recognizing and breaking free from this cycle. When we identify too much with our minds, we create artificial identities and suffer as a result. The story of the gambler and the judge serves as a metaphor for our own lives. To truly understand and break free, we need to cultivate awareness and presence. It's about letting go of material attachments and embracing the moment. This deeper awareness connects us to the infinite, transcending the limitations of our senses and material world. So the next time you find yourself caught in the web of your own judgments, remember the judge and the gambler. Let go, live in the moment, and find true enlightenment. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the depths of your mind. Thanks for
Hey there, poetry lovers. Today we're diving deep into a soul-stirring journey called Awakening the Heart, a journey through forbidden blossoms. Imagine, if you will, a tulip as a symbol of prohibition, a keeper of new blossoms, unveiled by the tree of the heart. Now, let's transcend the ordinary and awaken from our slumber, just like the companions of the cave, who thought they were asleep but turned quickly to wakefulness. Visualize a judge asking an ethereal idol about the usual. The response? A maiden's house. Empty, serene, void of guardians. A perfect abode for seclusion. Tonight, the night holds possibilities. Work without noise or confusion, under the cover of darkness. Picture the spies of wine drunk in sleep as the bell of night silences everyone. Enchantments are whispered, sweet and strange, from sugar-lipped beings. Let's weave through legends from Adam and Eve to Cain's first bloodshed, a tale of injustice and judgment, love and betrayal. Noah's fire on the stove, his wife's betrayal. A woman's attentiveness could turn clear waters dark. A message sent in secret, a warning, guard against the falsehoods of the lost. Resolve the rough, coarse troubles clouding your life. Seek the souls that parallel your own. Understand the essence of your being, not the hypocrisy of the world. The knowledge within this tenderness is profound. Solidify your mind, not just individually but collectively. Beware of the dogma that hardens opinions. Living in presence, not imitation, is crucial. The essence of life is expressed through us, reviving our spirit. Reject the solid memory of dogma. Embrace the intoxicating tenderness, this forbidden cup. Understand that negative energy, emanating from educated minds, is not our true essence. Live wisely, radiate living energy, not poison. This awareness, this new justice and reason, will establish a world of balance. Through silence and sound, we find new wisdom. Let's be alive to presence, not bound by the crowd. In our tender moments, God expresses himself through us, breathing life into our existence. Let's nurture this presence, this elixir of Ladoni, and embody the essence of life. And remember, poetry lovers, the treasure of presence is always alive within us. See you in the next journey.
O friend of the heart's place, come forward and take a brief rest. In this moment, let us pause and find solace in the stillness. Take a breath and feel the gentle embrace of peace. Allow yourself to be enveloped by the warmth of this sanctuary, where worries fade and the soul finds its calm. Here, in this sacred space, let us find refuge and rejuvenation. The wound you strike upon us, strike it manly and firmly. Let it be a mark of courage and strength, a testament to the resilience within us. In the face of adversity, let us stand tall and face the challenges head-on. If you wish to place the great throne upon the chest of the ocean, know that it requires both vision and determination. The vast expanse of the sea holds mysteries and power, and to conquer it, one must possess a heart of valor and a spirit unyielding. Give the harmonious spirits a drink and a chant. Let the melodies flow and the spirits rejoice. In the union of song and spirit, we find a celebration of life and a deep connection to the divine. Let the harmony resonate and uplift our souls. Mix the hypocrite's concoctions and scatter them. Pour the divine elixir upon the cup's mind. Pour the singular wine upon the forbidden cup. In the world's eyes, see a new justice and a new intellect, and strike the divine gazelle upon the trained dog. Blow another breath into the clay that is already needed. Plant that unplanted hyacinth in Adam's nature. If you are a true friend, go to the cave of happiness. As a true Muslim, strike upon the certain kingdom. O soul desiring another, here I am, and here is the soul. A soul that you do not have, strike upon the depth of hell. If you want a new Jesus to be born every hour, from that garden, blow upon Mary's veil. If you want the world of decay to become the world of permanence, strike the fire of Moses upon the harvest of morning. If you want the two worlds to be united and of one method, strike the coal of I am God in the eyes of both worlds. I shall stop, but you, enlightened minstrel, from the low notes, sing in the low register. You, the enemy of sorrows, should not be silent. Strike a stone upon the head of sorrow every